Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you mirror your Android screen to PC laptop. So there are so many apps that you can use to mirror your screen on PC laptop. In this video I'll be using AppWare Mirror. So to mirror your Android screen to PC, you need to download the app both in your PC laptop and in your Android device. After installing it to your laptop or PC, you need to just go to Play Store and install this app, AppWare Mirror. I have already installed this app. Now I'm gonna open it. Just give all the permissions it required. Now just click on Localcast. You can select the Wi-Fi or you can select the USB. If you're selecting the USB, you need to connect it to both your laptop and your Android screen. And after selecting it, you need to enable the USB debugging. And in your PC, you need to also select the AppWare Mirror and send a connection between your phone and your laptop. And by this, you can screen mirror Android screen to PC. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.